Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at tons and tons and tons of deals that are going on at Dollar General right now. That way, we can be prepared for our 5 off $25 scenarios. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, just in case you haven't been around this week, Dollar General has been absolutely on fire, and your girl has been uploading a ton of videos for you all to check out. So we do have a Dollar General clearance event going on right now. I have uploaded a total of 3 videos talking about what all is going on with the clearance event. Plus, we have new clearance markdowns and a penny list. We have Purple Dot home items that went down to 70% off. Plus, we have had 2 amazing run glitch deals, a giant glitch list with about 50 items and coupons that are glitching. And on top of that, we have had some really amazing just daily deals that we could do all week long. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now for this video, I'm calling this our 5 off $25 prep video because I have included over 100 deals and coupon matchups that are going on at Dollar General right now. So I think this is the perfect video to help us plan out our 5 off $25 scenarios. We get a really good overview of all of the best deals, coupon matchups. We can see what we need for our household, and also it will help us come up with a few substitutions. That way, once we get into the store on Saturday, if the store is out of stock of an item, we will always have a couple of backup plans. Now, I have one more thing that I wanted to share with you all before we take a look at the deals, and I just want to say thank you guys so very much for helping me out on that last video. I told you guys that just by hitting that thumbs up button, y'all can make a huge difference, and it really does me a huge favor when y'all do that. So take a look. YouTube sent me this message right here. It says that my views are up by 33%. So again, thank you guys so much. I told you all it only takes a second. Hit that thumbs up button and it really does help me out. Now, I think we can do even better on this video. So if you haven't already hit that thumbs up button, please take a second right now and hit that thumbs up. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at these deals. Now, again, there are over 100 deals and coupon matchups in this video. So I'm not going to be able to talk you all through each and every deal. So feel free to pause the video. You can also speed it up or slow it down however you would like by clicking on the little gear in the top right hand corner. It also might be 3 little dots. Go into your settings, click playback speed, and you can speed the video up or slow it down to your liking. Now, also want to point out that on some of these deals, you all are going to see the DG cashback offers. With those offers, typically we have the same rebate on Ibotta. So if you would rather use the Ibotta rebate versus getting the DG cash back, however you want to do it, just keep in mind that you cannot use both. You have to do one or the other. So if you prefer to use those Ibotta rebates, do not clip the DG cashback offers to your accounts. Now, I have put together a full how-to video on DG cashback, and that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below, so make sure that you go and check it out if you haven't already. Now, like I said, there are way too many deals in this video for me to talk you all through each and every one of them, so I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music while these scroll across your screen, and I'll be back with you all toward the end of the video. But check it out. We have tons of food deals this week. We also have tons of household deals as well as personal care items. And then, of course, don't forget about all of those glitches that we still have going on right now at Dollar General. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second and thank you all once again for all of your love and support. Without you guys, I couldn't do what I do, so thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up. Thank you for leaving wonderful, sweet comments. It really does mean the world to me. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I will see you on the next one.